So I was scrolling on YouTube and I was like, man, I don't have a intro and I really would like to have one, but you know, so the channel isn't so boring. So I was looking for information, so I thought that I would take you along to see what I was doing to get this. So I do have Canva. I downloaded it a little, like, I don't know, 3 days ago. It's been working really well so far. So I was trying to find, let me start from the beginning. So I went to Canva, I went to video. You can go to all the templates, but I just went to video, and then they have 16:9, Facebook, you know, mobile video, YouTube video. So let's try and go to YouTube video. Now, I was looking for something for Halloween. Because I wanted to make a Halloween intro, basically. But I don't know if read more books. That's funny. I wasn't expecting that one to show up. How is that? I guess that is scary for some people who don't like to read, right? Okay, but let's try this one. Let's click on this one. This seems pretty cool. All right, so, and there could probably be an extension I could use to do this, like screen recording or something, but I don't have that right now, and I just want to put this out, so we're just gonna do it like this, okay? And today is Halloween, October 31st. Happy Halloween! So I'm trying to hurry up and get all this done today. So I really like this the way that it is. I don't feel like I need to change anything. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Like, that's it. I love it. And now we're gonna go over here to audio. And here's some music I recently used. This is copyright free music, so I'm gonna play it so you can see how it sounds. I thought that might be fitting for this. This is 6 seconds too. I do want to say that they talking about like how intros shouldn't be so long. So I say like between no more than 10 seconds, but even that, look how long 10 seconds is, like while you waited for a video to come on. But we're just gonna put it right there and see how this is gonna sound. All right, y'all, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, here's our music. Let's go. Pull it back so then I can pull this back. And this is like my first time really doing this, making an intro. I was practicing before I got on camera, but this is my first time doing this. So this is the first time with this. You're seeing first time how easy it is to do this, okay? All right, and see how that just cut out really quickly? So I don't like that. So I want to go to actually try and fade it out. Okay, So we will go to audio effects, fade out, and I just basically, I kept trying it over. Like I always try like the highest one. I always go to 4 first. I don't know why, because that's just a good number for me. And I've started right there and see what that sounds like. All right, so let's try this. Oh, you know what I just realized? Is the 4S for 4 seconds? I don't know. Don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? Like I said, this is a real account. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so now we can go here so we can see what it will look like. Nice. That was super simple, y'all. That looks good. The only thing I would do is like cut this out in the middle so that it won't, actually, let me do that. Let me do that. All right, because I don't like how it takes so long to start. See, that's a little better to me, so that it's not taking so long to get started. And yeah, that is a channel intro for you guys. That simple. So if you want to make a channel intro and you are confused on how to do it, definitely go to Canva. The free version is really good, but if you really want to start playing around and trying a lot of different things, I do suggest that you do get the Canva Pro. It's free for 30 days. And this isn't a sponsored video. I'm just saying, like, I've had so much fun trying this stuff, and I am really excited to see what else I can do. And I'm going to insert a clip of the video a clip of the intro in this video. And yeah, I hope you guys try it and y'all have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, do you like it? Yeah, I think it was a very easy interface to use. So all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.